Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the system UI color on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, and on this page just scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. And from here just tap on color and style. Now just enable system and app UI color. And once you enable this option, you can change the system UI color from the preset colors from here, just like that. Or you can select a combination of colors, or you can select any color which are extracted from your background, just like that. Now, if you scroll down and if you enable this option, apply colors to icons, it will change the color of your icons to the colors you selected from here, just like that. And this is how you can change the system UI color on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.